I'm Nicola. Today we're going to make flower bombs. So we'll go through what you need. You need some sugar paper, just like that. I've got a few different colours in this one. And some wild seeds. There we go. Show you the other side. And a jug of water. Some containers to put your different colours in. And this is optional, but I think it looks good. You can get some of these. These are moulds. You can see those are flower ones. And we've got some stars. And love arts. And the best one, Lego! So, to start with, all you need to do is rip it up into little pieces, like that. And then you just need to put some water in them. So each container. Ooh, that might not have quite enough there. So now we need to leave these for a few minutes until they go soggy. And then I'll show you what to do next. Then you need to tip the water into a jug. Give it a bit of a squeeze, doesn't matter too much. Like that. Now, I should really have got a responsible adult to do this bit, but I can't find one, so I'm going to have a go. But for once, I'm going to be sensible. It's a bit dangerous. So we need one of these, which is a blender. And I've lost my lid now. Where have I put it? Oh, it's here right in front of me. I always get told off for that when I'm looking for stuff in cupboard and I can't find it. And I say, where has it gone? It's there right in front of you. Oh, she does have too much stuff in the cupboard, to be fair. So put this in here. I'll be good now. Time to be sensible for once. There we go. Here we go. I'm going to keep the colours separate. I think it'll look better. I don't know if it'll go a funny colour if you mix them all up. So I'm going to just keep them separate. Now then. Sensible. Dry my hands. Don't want to be touching electrical stuff with wet hands. Not a good idea. See, I can be sensible. Yeah. Nothing's to screw on there. Can't even screw it on. Shouldn't be using this machinery. There we go. And all you do is, my cat's not going to like this. Sorry, Dottie. Oh, it's not working. Once you've done it, it should look like that. It's squishy. So there we go. It's a bit like Play-Doh actually. You just give it a squeeze and a mix up. And then I'm going to put the seeds in. So, can't open them. There we go. And tip them in. Some in that one. Some in there. I'm shaping a bit wooden with this, aren't I? There we go. That's it, shaping now. Some in that one. I've got some more packets here. A bit more in there. There we go. I've got to use 2 packs, I think. Okay, and then mix it up again. A bit messy this bit. That's it. Ooh. Like sloppy Play-Doh. Super. And the last one, the purple one. Once you've mixed them, you can put them in your moulds. If you've not got moulds, don't worry, because you can roll them in balls and they still look good, but I think I'd rather have the moulds. So just put them in like that. And that needs to squeeze a bit of the water out. Should have probably done that before. There we go. So you can fill your trays up and we'll see what happens, see what they look like afterwards. You have to let them dry and then you'll be able to take them out. So this is what they look like when they're done. I think the hearts are the best. They seem to have gone really well. The stars have gone really well too. They look good. The ones with more detail, like the flowers, I'll show you, aren't quite as good. You can only just see that there's a flower print on that one. So I will probably recommend that you do the shapes that are simple, like the heart. So once you've done that, you can maybe make them into gifts. So I've got some of this, which is called burlap. So you could just go like this, like this, like this, and scrunch it together and get a little bit of natural string and tie it up. A bit fiddly, it's a bit hard to do this. So I'm just going to tie a knot on there like that. You could do it in a ribbon, that might look a little bit nicer. And maybe add a gift tag on there. So you could make them as a gift and give it to a friend or family, like that. Keep them in a jar like I've got here, so you can do them when you're ready. And thank you for watching. Simply plant your flower bombs in the ground, water and watch them grow. I also write and illustrate children's books. They are available on the link below. I have also attached links to my social media and email if you would like to contact me.